I have found the best email marketing platform. Guess what? It's not ActiveCampaign, and it's not MailChimp, and it's none of the many overpriced email marketing platforms that are currently available to you. In fact, you've probably never heard of it. And here's what's unique. My clients are regularly seeing around 40+% open rates for their prospects. And when it's actual clients of theirs, they're seeing open rates over 60%. Time to tell you about EngageBay, my absolute favorite email marketing platform. And here's the deal. It does so much better at sending emails reliably than any of the other platforms like ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, etc. With ActiveCampaign and MailChimp, you're probably spending thousands of dollars every year to go and use their services if you have any sort of substantial amount of contacts. EngageBay is so much less expensive. I believe I spent about $1,200 and it got me roughly 2 years. They're often running promotionals where you can get massive discounts. And if you go through affiliate links like mine below, you can actually get very reasonable discounts as well. What are the features that EngageBay really goes and provides? First, unlimited contacts. Can I say that again? Unlimited. As you continue increasing the number of contacts that you have, they don't increase the price on you. It remains flat, the same, no difference. That's game changing. That is absolutely game changing. I don't care who you are, to be able to go and grow your business and not have to see all of your costs massively soaring in terms of email marketing. That's huge. Absolutely huge. They make email marketing super simple. They have a product called Sequences, where essentially you go and you set up a series of emails where you have email 1, then email 2, then email 3, a sequence that each happen one after the other after the other. And you can provide gaps between each of those, whether it's a day, 2 days, a week. It really doesn't matter. And they make it where it's super easy that when someone fills out your form, they immediately drop into that sequence. So you essentially could go and create a platform where if someone fills out a form and gets dropped into that email sequence, you are constantly engaging that person frequently for whatever period of time you set inside that sequence. In addition to that, they provide automations. And what I mean by this is that when something happens here, then these actions here will happen. So let's say, for example, that you are a sports company and you are selling a pickleball event. If someone goes and signs up for that pickleball event, you can have it set that someone's interested in pickleball. So we're now going to send them emails related to pickleball because they've shown interest there. Again, it's amazing that you can go and automatically send emails that happen from within your own ecosystem where it is constantly engaging so that it saves you that time from having to go and do it yourself. And this helps in turn to go and increase the level of value that you have for each contact, since there's increased chances of additional purchases from that individual. What is unique about EngageBay versus all the other platforms that send newsletters is you can change the strategy with how you send your emails. Let me explain. Most emails, when you go and you send, it sends it all at once. And what this looks like to Google and to Outlook and to any of the other email providers is it looks like a complete zombie horde. What EngageBay does is they go and they allow you to send it where one email sends every set number of seconds. For example, I can set it where every 5 seconds it will send an email to that client list. So then you have a drip happening where every 5 seconds a new email is being sent to a new contact. So then Google and Outlook and whatever other email providers, they don't immediately flag you as spam and throw you into that junk folder. So if you are interested in using EngageBay, I have the link right here down below, and we really encourage you to go and use this tool. I promise you, you are going to love it. It is incredible, and it will really change the way that you do your own personal marketing. I hope that you go and use this tool. If you do, please leave comments down below. There are some really unique things, and I would love to know what other things you would like me to show you from EngageBay, because it's got a lot of cool tools and it's really powerful. Thank you again for taking your time to go and listen. We hope to see you in the next video. Take care.